Hello everyone, welcome to Banking Source Selection. Friends, I am Shivam Sharma, previously was in IDBI, now selected in BOB. In this video, we will do daily GK update of 13 August. If you want this PDF, get added to my WhatsApp GA group. Link is in the pinned comment of video. There I also take quizzes. Now let's start. Niti Aayog Atal Innovation Mission plus Dell Technology. Dell is the software company. So Niti Aayog Atal Innovation Mission plus Dell Technology partnership for student entrepreneurship program. So just remember, for student entrepreneurship program, Niti Aayog Atal Innovation Mission plus Dell Technology. As per Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas guidelines, the entity with net worth of at least is eligible for obtaining the liberalized license to sell petrol and diesel to both retail and bulk consumer. It is very important, just remember 500 crore. So मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पेट्रोलियम एंड नेचुरल गैस के अकॉर्डिंग अब जिस एंटिटी की नेट वर्थ 500 करोड़ होगी वही अब उसको ही लाइसेंस मिलेगा पेट्रोल एंड डीजल बेचने के लिए, बोथ रिटेल एंड बल्क कंज्यूमर के लिए. बी कीपिंग अंडर आत्मनिर्भर भारत, ये प्रीवियस कंटेंट है बट मैंने रखा है, इसकी अमाउंट भी 500 करोड़ है. ये आत्मनिर्भर भारत के अंदर था. बी कीपिंग अंडर आत्मनिर्भर भारत, टोटल कॉस्ट थी 500 करोड़. कृषि मेघ, द डेटा रिकवरी सेंटर ऑफ ICAR. ICAR इज इंडियन काउंसिल ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर रिसर्च, हैज़ बीन सेट अप अंडर द नेशनल एग्रीकल्चर हायर एजुकेशन प्रोजेक्ट. NAHEP is funded by the World Bank. So just remember, Krishi Megh is funded by World Bank and Krishi Megh is located in Hyderabad. Krishi Megh is in Hyderabad. COVID-19 vaccine named Sputnik 5th. So Sputnik 5th COVID vaccine is of Russia. Just remember Russia. Sputnik 5th. Alexander Grigoryevich. So Alexander Grigoryevich is now the president of Belarus, and Belarus capital is Minsk and currency is ruble. Belarus, Minsk, ruble. Reliance Foundation plus USAID launched the WGDP Women Connect Challenge across India. So just remember, Reliance Foundation plus USAID launched the WGDP. It is a Women Connect Challenge across India. Bloomberg Billionaire Index, Mukesh Ambani is now 4th richest according to Bloomberg Billionaire Index. Mukesh Ambani is 4th richest. Goa plus NSDC, that is National Skill Development Corporation, launched World Class Skill Development Institute. So just remember, Goa plus NSDC, World Class Skill Development Institute. Delhi government plus IIT Bombay. So just remember, for smog tower, दिल्ली में स्मोक टावर्स होते हैं, सो उसके लिए दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट ने IIT बॉम्बे के साथ टाई अप किया है स्मोक टावर. रुदर वेंटिलेटर, ये प्रीवियस न्यूज़ है, IIT बॉम्बे का था इन अप्रैल. रुदर वेंटिलेटर ऑफ IIT बॉम्बे. नेशनल एक्सपर्ट ग्रुप ऑन वैक्सीन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन headed by VK Paul. So just remember, VK Paul group on vaccine administration. Indian Council for Research on International Economic Relation, ICR-IER. So just remember, its chairman is now Pramod Bhasin. Indian Council for Research on International Economic Relation, chairman is Pramod Bhasin. Committee on Business Responsibility Reporting is now headed by Gyaneshwar Kumar. So just remember, Committee on Business Responsibility Reporting, Gyaneshwar Kumar. Joint venture between Honda Motor and Hitachi, it is approved by CCI, Competition Commission of India. So just remember, Honda Motor and Hitachi, they both have done joint venture. Skyroot Aerospace, it is a private company, launched upper stage rocket engine named Raman. So just remember, Skyroot Aerospace, upper stage rocket Raman. Nokia plans to set up robotic labs at which institute for 5G research. So Nokia robotic lab for 5G research at IISc, that is Indian Institute of Science. Just remember it. Now obituary, Rahat Indori, he was poet, very famous poet, Urdu poet. G.K. Menon, he was sports journalist. G.K. Menon, sports journalist. International Youth Day, it was on 12 August and theme was Youth Engagement for Global Action. Youth Engagement for Global Action. World Elephant Day, it was on 12 August, World Elephant Day, 12 August. Now static from current, Mount Sinabung volcano, it is in Indonesia. Depsang Plain, it is in Ladakh. Chhatrasal Stadium, it is in Delhi. Gaya Airport, it is in Bihar. Asian 2020, it will be in Vietnam, and Asian headquarters is in Kuala Lumpur. Asian 2020 Vietnam, Asian headquarters is in Kuala Lumpur. So this was the news for today. If you like the content, please like the video and kindly subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.